man. What's up?
Well, hold on one second. Do that one more time, yo. What's up?
We're hanging out here in Sema having a good time, man. You better be here.
66. That's right. Tell them we're Coverman66.
Coverman66 right
in the
here,
house.
man.
That's right, yo. Terry, your boy Terry. You know where I'm at? Yo, 2018 Sema, and I got my man here. It's Rat Rides. Be here with my man, Tim Strange. And y'all know him from Power Block, my personal friend, Sarah Edwards. I'm here with my man, my buddy, Mike Musto. I got my man, Funk Master Flex. What's up, brother?
You see us?
Yeah. I got my good friend, Ed Golden here. I am here with the president and CEO of Nitrous Express and his lovely wife, Celeste. We got Mike.
Coverman66, you're the man.
I appreciate you, brother. I have my man, Nelson Gill, and he's going to take us to school. Talk Converter 101. Talk to him, Nelson. What's happening?
Hey, man. Good to see you again, Terry.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you, man. I am here with my very excellent friend, Kevin Tetz. Oh, my God, so good to see you.
It's great to finally meet you. We've known each other for a long time online. Sema is where all this stuff comes together.
Comes together,
right?
exactly.
It comes together. It's a giant family for you.
Exactly. Man. Let me say, I want to make sure I get this right. I want to do it justice, okay? Johnny Bomb. I'm hanging in the Radical Rod crew. What's up? Yo, we're going to pass it around. Shout it out.
I'm Michael.
All right.
All right, my name is Will from Belgian Brothers.
All right. Wesley from Cobblestone Customs. That's right. I'm Hans. That's right. I'm here with Megan Meyer. She's the NUK drag racing queen. My very friend, Maya Piscati. You remember her? You remember her? Ice Road Truckers. I'm with my brother here, BC from BC Motors.
Yes,
What's up, man?
good to see you.
Ah,
See you
beautiful,
indeed.
beautiful, beautiful. If you don't know him, you must have been on the rock. This man was on the fastest car. What series was it?
Series 1, Episode 1.
Episode
Very nice.
1.
And we're going to do a comeback on Series, or Episode 3, or Series 3, I should say. Season 3.
Season 3.
Which should be nice, with a revenge car.
Revenge car. Ladies and gentlemen, I am with the man, Aaron Kaufman.
How you doing?
I have the pleasure of sitting here with my man Ryan, count cars. We have Todd Womack and his son Chris. That's right. Hi. Congratulations, first of all, congratulations on your show. Success, man. I loved it. I loved it. I watched the West back last night.
Did you?
I watched it last night.
That was one of my favorite episodes.
Yeah.
Don't believe a thing he said.
And you.
Don't believe a
I've
thing
been
he
looking
says.
for you, man. What's happening?
How are you, man?
Doing all right. You know?
Good.
We got my man Ed Gomez. Get over
How
here.
are you? How are you?
This is the guy who, this is the man who tunes these cars. And my good friend, oh my God, a good friend Brian from Lucas Oil and Mav TV. Everyone knows that, what's it called, that little, when you go to the oil parts store, you got that little Lucas Oil gear thing and all that. By the way, the cameraman, he invented it.
Yeah, buddy!
My man Willie B. What up? And Kevin. Yo, two guy garage. I got the beautiful and lovely Stephanie Leah from Radical Rock Rides. Let me tell you something. It is a pleasure to meet you because you're a Southerner. You're Southern. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
I got my man Bruce here. What's it called? Owner of Modern Driveline.
I saw what you're building. 71 Chevelle. I see it. What you got, the LS1 motor?
No, I gotta go with stock 6.0.
I'm a big block guy.
Let me tell you something. It's gonna get you.
Come on with that,
Get
Flex.
out of here. It's gonna get you.
502,
It's gonna get you.
396.
It's gonna get you.
I don't got a 572. That's overhyped.
This man is the Pikes Peak how many times?
3, and we'll be back this year in 19.
Go back again?
Yeah, we're driving a Sierra car.
Tell me, how scary is it?
You don't think about it, you just go to work.
You're just gonna work, and that's what I love about it. It's like you were just saying, yo, you think about it and you're hesitant, and you know, like, and so you got off it, and you got your new series shifting gears, you're doing your thing, man. Yo, my subscribers gonna love this, man.
Right
I
on.
appreciate, brother.
Hey,
Man.
definitely. Thanks so much, man.
I appreciate you, man. These are my brothers now. Yo, what's up? Where are you guys from?
Belgium.
We're from Belgium. That's right.
I am from Belgium. You're from here.
No, well, I'm from Belgium now. I'm in the truck.
Oh, yeah.
I'm in Belgium, yo. I have to thank you because you came on the Power Block scene and you gave me encouragement, along with other people, encouragement to get in the garage and do your build. And from there came, you know, like, build that you made me build my dream instead of buying it. And I want to thank you and that whole Power Block setup.
Well, thanks for the compliment, but I need to thank you because I was stumped one day on something. I didn't have the right tool. I think it was I was pulling a harmonic balancer off or something. Wow. And you had this easy trick that you grab the inside with your tool, or that you probably had in the garage, and it worked. And I was like, yeah, so you saved me too, man.
No,
so
man. That's what it's all about, sharing the knowledge, man. I tell you, you know. The fastest standing mile in a street car, 283 miles an hour. We're gonna round it off, 284 miles an hour. Let's see. Guinness World Record holder. Yes, sir. All right. And a Ford GT. And he drives his daughter to school in this car. I told Tim Strange, like I'm gonna tell you, and I told you this before, but I want the people to know. You are responsible for having me build what I do. Because like I said, you know, we used to watch Power Block in the 90s, early 2000s, and you used to come in there, more than just put the car together, you would be like, you can do this. You would give encouragement. And then, you know, like after the show, I'd be all charged. You know what, I'm gonna go get a welder. You know what, yo, you know? So it's that, I gotta say thank you for whoever doesn't say thank you. I'm telling you right now, you are an encouragement to this hobby.
Terry, that humbles me so much, man. I see the work you do online and the work that you do. You're the real deal, man. This guy, watch his videos, catch him on Facebook, because you know that's the future of this stuff. Is let's pass this on. Let's pass it on to each other. Let's pass, you know, and what little I can do through a television screen. And man, it's so awesome to hear that it inspired you, and it's just you know, you made my day, man.
Don't be saying things like that, man. And Mike, we're gonna be doing something together, right?
We are. We're gonna do great things.
We're gonna do, this is just the beginning.
My man Terry, super tight. Thanks for watching, y'all.
All right, thank you very much. Last night at Sema, we got the squadron here. What's up?
What's happening?
You know, we interviewed a whole bunch of people, but yo, we gotta talk to the squadron. Yo, what y'all think about Sema?
Sema's off the hook.
Yo, off the chain.
On the green side, man.
That's right. Who'd y'all guys meet? Y'all met some serious heads? Saw some serious cars?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Coverman66, you're the man.
I appreciate you, brother.
Oh yeah.
All right, question.
Everybody's here.
Question. What was your favorite car, Nelson? I know.
Right there.
That black 69 Camaro.
Detroit Speed.
That's right.
Tucker.
My man is a 69 Camaro head, so am I.
Well,
You know?
that's it, man.
That's
My
it.
first car.
First car. We're going to tell you a story because we're going to interview him, and we're going to interview my man KB at Tennessee Motorsports, the Mustang Guru. All right, Kenny, you got to let me know, what's your favorite ride, man?
I'm gonna say it. I'm a Ford guy. I like Fords mostly, but I'm an all-car guy. I'm gonna tell you it was a Corvette. It was a 50. What year is that 50 now?
Oh, I put that on his head. I didn't expect that one.
Which one's like,
Convertible. That chocolate.
oh, that's like a 58, 59.
That's 50. Oh, that silver one.
Yes, sir.
That was
58,
next to that Impala.
59,
58, 59.
60,
That,
yeah, those are all in that body style.
That was-
The last night at Sema, I gotta tell you, this was off the chain. If you have the opportunity, you got to come check out Sema. I met some of the coolest people, some, you know, like on TV and off of TV. And I want to thank everyone who's responsible for getting me here. Nelson Gill, thank you. I really appreciate it. Me, you know, from the bottom of my heart, Squadron, yo, we really appreciate all the love and the hookups and the connections that you have, you know, given us, and the opportunities. That's what the word I'm really looking for. Opportunities to, you know, to meet and get a little bit exposed in a good way. But again, if you have the opportunity to come here to Sema, definitely take it, because it's so worth it.
So until our next meeting, remember, honor the timeless classics. I'm Dennis Gage with Terry. Happy motoring.
Happy motoring.